My name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Yes, what I have tonight for you guys is the 3-second eyebrow stamp. I know I am late reviewing this product. I had this for a while. Like I've been telling you guys, I buy stuff and I just put it up and forget about it for a while. Now here I am, want to demonstrate and give a review on this product. I'm sorry that I'm late. I don't have any makeup on because I want to show you guys how my brow is going to look, okay? And then to, you know, dress it up. So this is what it looks like. The 3-second eyebrow stamp. And here it is. That's what it looks like. And here it said the perfect natural looking eyebrows in seconds. And it's showing me, you know, it will show you how to press, place, and perfection. Press, gently place stamp into the brow powder. Okay, this includes 1 eyebrow stamp kit. And that's it right there. Okay, this is before and after. Before and after. It has 2 different type brows. Okay, I'm sorry that I'm just now getting this, you know, review done. So let me go ahead and get this out the way. Okay, in the box, what fell out the box was this little silica, you know, gel here, packet to keep it, you know, fresh. And this is the consumer right agreement. It has the demonstration little pamphlet here. It has the brow instruction paper here. Okay. And this is what the brow stamp look like. It has 2 different shapes. And it does have a brow brush and definer brush at the end. Okay. See, it has these 2 as well, which is a set. So I just taking these out. You know, 1 for the left and 1 for the right brow. And this is what the powder looks like. I guess this is to dust off the excess powder. Okay. And it has a mirror. It has a mirror. And this is the powder itself. Okay, let me see. I think this powder doesn't have a name of the powder, but it is a lighter brown. It is a lighter brown. I believe that's what you call this spooler. Okay, maybe I should have arched my brows. I'm going to use these 2 first. I'm gonna go here now. Here. I'm just gonna see how it works, y'all. Let me go ahead and get enough on there. Okay. Now I'm going to use my mirror and see. I don't think this is gonna work out. Let me try the other one. I don't want to prolong this video. I don't want to, you know, make it long. So let me go ahead and use the other shaper. I think it's faster by drawing them on yourself. This really, to me, is just a waste of money. Just a waste of money, you guys. Okay, let me go ahead and dress it up. And it's very powdery. Very powdery. Let me dress it up. You really have to take your time if you want to use this for your eyebrows. I mean, it's just powder. You just throw it on your eyebrows. You know, like I said, this is my first time using this, and it's more faster by drawing them on. It's a fail, y'all. Cause I really don't have no hour spending trying to fix my eyebrows with this product. It's a fail. If you want perfect eyebrows and you're going to use this product, you got to take your time. I don't have the patience. I just cannot sit a long period of time trying to do my eyebrows. And plus, it look powdery. It look fake. It's a fail. All right, you guys, let me let you look at it one more time. It's really, like I said earlier, it's really powdery. Come off on your finger. Okay. Now put it on my eyebrows and it's not shaped, you know, like the shaper here. It's not shaped like this. You put it on, your powder gonna go, you know, outside the line of the shaper. I mean, that's, if that makes any sense. I'm not going to use this anymore. I'm going to get rid of it because I do not like it. I do not like it. And what I may do, if I'm not going to use the powder, I may use my, like an eyebrow pencil and just color it in and just, you know, push it in. Because this powder stuff, it's not gonna work because it's gonna be all over your eyebrows. If I have to rate this from 1 to 10, I don't like it. It would be a 0. I don't like it. And I don't blame you if you thumbs down, because I don't like it. It's a failure. Alright, you guys, I just had to make this short, quick video to show you guys this product that I had purchased a while back. Thought I was going to come to you guys with something. I've watched other people reviews on it. They don't like it. Unless you're going to take your time using this to fix your eyebrows. Like I said, it takes, you know, you can draw your eyebrows on quicker than, you know, trying to use this and then fix it up and everything and use the pencil and finish, you know, coloring it in, you know. Because this powder here, it will come off. It will come off. So this right here, a failure. Okay? Don't buy it. I think this is like $10, $9 and some change, $10. Not worth it. Don't buy it. I don't recommend you to buy it. If I don't like it, you're not gonna like it, okay? I don't wanna come to you and say, oh yeah, it's good, go ahead and buy it, purchase it. No, no. And they did not send me that to do a review. I bought it with my own money, okay? And I wanted to share it with you how it works, but it's not working. I don't like it. I do not like it. Don't like it. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. What you waiting on? Go ahead, hit the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my videos. Go ahead, comment, like, and share this video. Thumbs up. And y'all, please come back again. Tell your friends, tell your other, you know, homies about your girl, Happy Dimples 39. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you all. Good night.